Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I hope you are all fine. Today we will present you two basic topics of biology. These two topics have fundamental importance in the biology. The topics include relationship of biology with other sciences and careers in biology. My other group mates include Hafiz Abdul Hanan, Saad bin Tariq and Izzadar Hussain. I hope you will enjoy our presentation. So let's start with the relationship of biology with other sciences. Each branch of science has relationship with all other branches. The interrelationship among different branches of science cannot be denied. Biology also includes information on various aspects of living things, but these information relate to other branches of science as well. Let's start with biophysics. Biophysics is the relationship between biology and physics.
Biophysics. We know that biology is the study of living organisms, and physics is the study of matter and the laws of nature to understand the behavior of matter and the universe. The Biophysical Society explains that when scientists combine physics and biology, they learn more about biological systems on a molecular or atomic level. The definition of biophysics is the science dealing with how physics applies to the processes of biology. An example of biophysics is explaining how birds fly.
Biochemistry is the relationship between biology and chemistry.
Biochemistry. Biochemistry is a branch of science that explores the chemical processes within and related to living organisms. It is a laboratory-based science that brings together biology and chemistry. By using chemical knowledge and techniques, biochemists can understand and solve biological problems.
Biometry or biomathematics is the relationship between biology and mathematics.
Biomathematics. Biomathematics is the use of mathematical models to help understand phenomena in biology. The results obtained from analysis and simulation of system models are used to test and extend biological theory and to suggest new hypotheses or experiments.
Biogeography is the relationship between biology and geography. Biogeography deals with study of occurrence and distribution of different species of living organisms in different geographical regions of the world. It applies the knowledge of the characteristics of particular geographical regions to determine the characteristics of living things found there.
Bioeconomics is a progressive branch of social science that seeks to integrate the disciplines of economics and biology for the sole purpose of creating theories that do a better job of explaining economic events using a biological basis and vice versa.
Now we will move towards the second topic of today, which is careers in biology. Now we will discuss some careers that a biological student can adopt. So to start with, first we will discuss medicine or surgery. This profession of medicine deals with the diagnosis and treatment of diseases in human beings. In surgery, the parts of the body may be repaired, replaced or removed. For example, transplantation of kidney or liver. Both these professions are studied in the same basic course MBBS.
Fisheries. The professional study of fish production is known as fisheries. There are departments in Pakistan where professionals of fisheries are employed. In Pakistan, this profession can be adopted after the bachelor or master's level study of zoology and fisheries.
Agriculture. Agriculture is the science and art of cultivating plants and livestock. Agriculture was the key development in the rise of sedentary human civilization, whereby farming of domesticated species created from surpluses that enabled people to live in cities. The history of agriculture began thousands of years ago.
Animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is the branch of agriculture concerned with animals that are raised for meat, fiber, milk, eggs, or other products. It includes day-to-day care, selective breeding, and the raising of livestock. Professional courses in animal husbandry can be adopted after the higher secondary education in biology.
The art of gardening is known as horticulture. A horticulturist is someone who uses scientific knowledge to cultivate and propagate plants. In Pakistan, biology students can adopt this profession after their higher secondary education.
Farming. Farming is the act or process of working the ground, planting seed and growing edible plants. You can also describe raising animals for milk or meat as farming. Farming is a great way to describe the lifestyle and work of people whose jobs are in the agriculture industry.
Forestry. Forestry is the science and craft of creating, managing, using, conserving, and repairing forests, woodlands, and associated resources for human and environmental benefits. Forestry is practiced in plantation and natural stands. Many universities offer professional courses in forestry after the higher secondary education in biology or after bachelor level study of zoology and botany.
Now, last but not the least, biotechnology. Biotechnology is the latest profession in the field of biology. Biotechnologists study and work for the production of useful products through microorganisms. University offer courses in biotechnology after the higher secondary education in biology and after a bachelor level studies of botany or zoology. Biology is a very interesting subject if you study it with interest. That's all for today. I hope you all liked our presentation. Thank you for your patience. Stay home, stay safe.